In this video, we showcase 83 Freight, the largest shipping container housing project in North America, built using 173 upcycled shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out how this amazing project was brought to life. Welcome back. This project is a unique, sustainable residential community offering flexible and affordable housing in Nashville's trendy Wedgewood Houston. This project is crafted from 173 upcycled shipping containers that were meticulously assembled to construct 83 residential apartments sitting on 2.17 acres of land. Split into 4 building blocks arranged around an open courtyard, this project is slated to be delivered in phases. 2 blocks of buildings are complete and move-in ready, while the remaining 2 will be completed in the next phase. Each building block is made of pairs of shipping containers arranged perpendicularly lengthwise, 3 stories high, linked by interconnecting staircase shafts with generous walkways and balconies to all stories. The 83 residential units comprises of a mix of different apartment types and sizes, including 28 studio units, 31 one-bedroom units, and 24 two-bedroom units, with the largest unit measuring 1,280 square feet. The studio unit has a minimalist interior space comprising of a wall-in Murphy bed, a kitchenette, and a gorgeous bathroom, all accommodated in 320 square feet of habitable space. The main space is a transformative living area, furnished with a Murphy bed that can be drawn out as a bed to sleep or drawn back to create a big open lounge space. The studio has a single-walled modern kitchenette with stainless steel kitchen appliances, enough counter space, and adequate storage cabinets. The studio unit comes with a gorgeous bathroom with a fully tiled glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and a wash hand basin with storage. There is also a washer and dryer to make the house a functional unit. The one-bedroom unit is quite spacious, measuring 640 square feet of living space. The front door opens into a spacious open-plan living with a kitchen, a lounge, and a dining area. The living has a single-walled kitchen with essential kitchen appliances, a nice countertop, and adequate kitchen storage. A small passage from the living room leads to the rear part of the unit that accommodates a spacious bathroom. The bathroom features a toilet, a glass shower cubicle, a vanity top with enough storage. Opposite the bathroom is a laundry alcove fitted with a washer and dryer. The remaining space at the rear of the one-bedroom unit occupies a big master bedroom with closet space. The one-bedroom unit has a second typology with the bedroom loft, which has an exit door off the dining area to an external spiral staircase leading onto a private rooftop deck. The deck creates a good private outdoor space to retreat and enjoy the view of the neighborhood as you host a group of friends for an evening party or other family activities. The project has got 2 typologies for the 2-bedroom units. One unit is measuring 960 square feet, and the largest unit is a 2-bedroom suite measuring 1,000 280 square feet of habitable space. The smaller typology has a central living space with a kitchenette, a spacious dining area, and a well-furnished lounge space. This typology is flanked by two well-appointed ensuite bedrooms on either side. Each bedroom is big enough to accommodate a double bed and adequate closet space. The bigger unit has a spacious living room, furnished with a lounge area, a kitchen, and a dining space. This amazing unit features an urban chic dining table. In addition, there are two ensuite bedrooms with walk-in closets and an exit corridor that accommodates an alcove for the laundry space. Just like the other smaller units, the two bedrooms are a good design and well appointed with amazing interior furnishing and decor. In sharp contrast to the modest exterior, the interior of these amazing units feels warm and cozy. The internal container walls were insulated and lined with plasterboard and painted white throughout. Each apartment embraces the industrial charm of the containers on the floor and ceiling. The corrugated container ceiling is left exposed and visible throughout the house. The apartment retains the original marine plywood floors, which are highly polished to give the indoor space a shiny, easy-to-clean industrial finish. The ductwork and the electrical conduits are left exposed above the ceiling, further embracing the industrial theme of the project. From outside, there is no secret that this amazing development is built using shipping containers. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial language of the design. This container project has a uniform finish of cotton steel on the exterior, which exposes the rustic, brutal appearance of shipping containers, which gives this project its character and identity. The big glazed openings give this project a modern appearance. Some container cargo doors are left intact and welded open to create Juliet balconies with glass access doors to the balconies. Once complete, the development will have adequate on-street and off-street parking with recreational facilities for the residents. Additional amenities include off-street parking, a dog park, and a barbecue area, plus a recycling center. The first phase of the project is finished and available for rent. Feel free to contact the office on their official page using the link in the description below for additional information on leasing and renting. Which part of this container housing development appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for such and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.